Top 10 Indonesia makanan. Let's see. Gulu gulu. Gulu gulu number 4. I like it. Let's see. Nasi gorilla. Always number 1 nasi Godzilla. Of course. Let's see. Randong. Randong number 10. Very nice. Box. Mike Tyson, Tyson Fury, number 3. I like box. Let's see. Samurai. Cobra Kai, Maestro Miyagi. Marai, number 6. Very good. Soup. Soup, chicken soup, number 9. Let's see. Pisong gorilla. Pisong gorilla, number 5. Very delicious. Nasi patent. Number 7. Very good. Martalog. Martalog, very delicious. Number 2. And number 8 is, let me cry, goulash.